Remember how last year we took a trip through New Orleans? Well, we're back. Welcome back, and today we're making the Vieux Carre, also known as Old Square. And this is actually named for the Old Square in New Orleans, where this cocktail was created. Let's go ahead and make this, and we'll talk about the history in a minute. I'm going to make it in the glass on the ice. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple cubes of ice. Need an ounce of rye using Rittenhouse. And before I continue, I'm going to also need Peychaud's bitters. 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. I need an ounce of cognac. This is Pierre Ferrand 1840. Find a cognac you enjoy, use that. And now I need an ounce of Sweet Vermouth. This is Carpano Antica formula. Any Sweet Vermouth will work. And I need a Barspoon of Benedictine Liqueur. And minor stir. For garnish, need a Maraschino Cherry. And this is a Vieux Carre. Cheers. The Benedictine playing against the rye, or playing against the Sweet Vermouth. The herbaceousness of both of them coming through. The rye with the spice note, the cognac comes together, and it's really nice. It is a little watered down. I should have maybe made this in a mixing glass and then strained it, but figure quick, easy. This is how most people are gonna probably make it, so why not? It's still a pretty nice cocktail. A note about the Vieux Carre. It was created in 1930, at least that's what was said, by Walter Bergeron. Whether he's related to Trader Vic Bergeron, I don't know. But it was created in New Orleans, much like the Ramos Gin Fizz for Henry Ramos was created in New Orleans. This was named Vieux Carre for the Old Square. And it's been adjusted here and there. This is actually from the IBA, the International Bartenders Association, where they actually have it as a equal part for everything except for the Benedictine and Peychaud's bitters. And no, it's a nice cocktail, I have to say. It's impressive. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware I use on my show, check the links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links, which means that if you click the link, make a purchase of the item, I receive a bit of the kickback. Thank you in advance. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. And this has been The Beginner's Bar.